Up first. Take a video. Mama, take a video. There we go. On the road again. Where is the babies going? Where are you going? Say, we're going to CDC. Ayan na. Look at me here. Is na merong froggy. Nak. Yung mga bag is dirty. Excited to play. Ayan na. Going to the park. But there's no Ate Malia. Where's Ate Malia? Huh? No? No Ate Malia. Ate Malia. Ate Malia is not coming? Oh no. We passed under the bridge now. Anak, don't lick it, ha? Don't lick the ball. Baby, no, baby, yan, ha? May pa-off she ka. No. It's okay. That's mommy's money. Okay, thank you po. It's Ayana's day today. She can have lulis. It's your day today, Anak. Oh, come, let's go up. Come on, let's go. First, ate. Let's find ate. Okay, let me open the door. Here, on this side. Wala na bang rain? Go get ate. Ah, ano ba yun? Sorry. Pa-option naman damit mo, nak. I think wala nang ulan, anak. Careful, nak. Sana wala nang ulan. Nakalimutan natin magdala ng hat mo, anak. Anak, sit properly. Is it yummy? What? It's a cat. Yeah, it's a cat. Cat? Anak, what does the cat say? Meow? What does the cat say? Meow? Say meow, meow, meow. No biting, anak, ha? Just lick it, anak. Kinakabahan ako, baka mamaya malunok. Careful na, careful. Buti na lang, huminto na yung ulan. Akala namin magtuloy-tuloy na at mapornada yung aming CDC. Oh, I think, sa ano pala, galing sa puno yung ambon. Kasi kanina po nung pagdating namin, umuulan. Buti na lang kami mo, wala nang ulan. Anak, di ba? Say thank you, Lord. We are ready to... Oh, careful, anak. Skuniyo marimar. Oh, come, let's go. Let's go across the road. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. Okay, hurry. Ang ganda ng green grass, oh. Look at that view. It looks so clean. Nice and clean inside the park. No, inside the CDC, I mean. Oh, may pabanig na si ate doon, oh. Wala tayong banig, anak. We got cloth, but we don't have banig. We don't have banig, anak. It's okay. See, it's okay. Ang bata nag-i-enjoy sa kanyang lolis. Nag-i-enjoy ang bata. What now? Oh. Ah, napagod. Napagod ikaw? Ha? Ako naman yung mapagod nito. We are here. Okay. Can I put you down here? Anak, you're too heavy. Okay. Put you down here. Oh, too heavy, anak. Dito na pala kami sa park, mga shots. Nagpakalayo kami sa maraming tao. Ay, bless you. Oo. Oba. Uy, inaantok na to. Oras na kasi ng kanyang tulog. You want to lay down? Tabi-tabi po. Yeah, that's a design, anak. That's a design. You wanna lay down? Okay, just lay down. Uy, oras na kasi ng tulog niya eh. Just lay down like that. Pick off your stepper. Okay. See ya. How's the baby, Yana? Oh my goodness. Daddy can... No, it's okay, it's okay. Leave it like that, anak. Just leave it like that. Leave it. Gusto mo tanggalin yung socks. Naalibadbaran siya kanyang socks. Pinang-socks kita, anak, kasi maraming lamok. Ha? Maybe there's so many mosquito here. Ha? Oh, what happened now? Ay, Diyos ko ah. Ang batang ito. Ang usama namin, kasama sila siya. Kanina tulog pa daw si Malia. Itong mga bata, irita lang, gusto nang umalis. Umalis na kami nang walang paalam. Pero tinext ko siya, sabi ko nandito kami sa CDC. Hindi ko alam kung hahabol sila or what. Kasi si Malia tulog. Tulog ang boss. Ayan na, look at me here. What do you see, anak? What do you see? Look, ate, oh. They're playing. They're doing TikTok. TikTok for life. Ay, magkape muna ako, mga syas. May dala akong kape. Wait lang, kape muna tayo. Okay. Mama will have coffee. Buti na lang kamo si mama mo magaling. Where's my coffee?
A few moments later.
Oh. Ay, magaling nga. Magaling. Akala ko dinala yung mainit. Babe! Akala ko dinala yung mainit na tubig. Oh, nakakainis. Where's Ayana thermos, babe? Ay, binigay niya yan sa akin. Akala ko nailagay ko sa ano. Nailagay ko sa bag. Wala pala. Puro tubig yung dala ko. Excited pa naman ako magkape. Tapos wala palang kape. Wala palang mainit na tubig. Nakakainis. Kung punta ka ng 7-Eleven, Col? Col? Punta ka ng 7-Eleven?
Bakit?
Bili kang tubig doon. Sabi ko mainit na tubig. O kaya manghingi ka ng hihingi. Nagbibigay yun sila ng mainit na tubig. Where's my ano? Asa na bang takip nito? Ay nako, nakakainis. Excited ako magkape. Tapos wala pala yung tubig. Nakakainis talaga, anak. Nagdala-dala pa tayo. Ganon din yung ano mo, anak. Dali mo na lang yung ano ni Ayana, Kon. Oh my goodness. Ano ba yan? Ano bang nangyayari sa lakad natin? Anak? Nagdala ko ng gatas mo, wala yung chupon. Pantrip. Wala na nga yung mainit, wala na nga yung thermos. Wala po yung chupon, puro tubig yung nadala. O, diba? Mag-park pa more. Magdala-dala tayo ng gatas mo dito. Wala naman palang chupon. Hindi, chupon. Wala talaga. Wala akong chupon. What a good plan. Yan na. What a good plan. We got your milk but we don't have water and your bottle. See, Daddy? See, Daddy? What did you do, Daddy? Oh, no. Don't put that in your mouth, anak. Don't put that in your mouth.
No.
Yeah, put that. It's okay. You can survive, anak. Okay, oh. Bili ka ng mainit na tubig doon sa 7-Eleven. Ilagay mo dito. Punuin mo. Bili ka ng tubig sa 7-Eleven. Mainit. Ay, nako. That's a leaves, anak. It's a leaves from tree.
No.
Yeah. Marami tayong tubig, anak. Wala tayong ano. Wala tayong milk mo. Kakalurky. It's okay. Anak ko, wag sanang umulan. Just sit down, anak. Just sit down. Let's have some snacks na lang. Ay, si mami mo naman, wala sa plano. Yeah, wala sa plano si mami mo. Knock, slipper, anak. Ayan na. Put your slipper on. Put your slipper on. Come here. Come, mommy. Come, mommy. Put your slipper on. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Ate will get buy water. Come, mommy. Hurry up. Ayan na. Mommy, listen to mommy. Come here. Listen to mommy. Come here. Come here. Ate will get some hot water. Hurry. Put your slipper on. Hurry up. Anak. Listen to mommy. Put your slipper on. Come. Come here. Come now. Put your slipper on. Ayan, put your slipper on, anak. Come here. Oh, there's a leaves. Put the slipper on. Come on, put the slipper on. Other one. Don't bite. Don't bite the lilies. Just lick it, okay? No biting. Seryoso sa kanyang lilies. Come knock, baby. Come to mommy. You want apple? I got some apple for you. You want apple? You want cucumber? Come here. Kami, nak. May kunting baon lang kami. Yung apple namin, iba ng kulay. Yan na, oh. Dapat pala tinanggal ko yung balat. Right, apple? What do you say? Okay, Mama will keep this one, okay? Can I wipe your face? You're sticky. Uy, baka makita pa yung ano. Tago natin, tago. Kasi baka makita pa yung kanyang luli. Yung snack namin, cucumber, carrots at saka apple. We are healthy living na, no, nak? Dapat pala, anak, binalatan natin yung apple, anak. No? Dapat nagbalot natin ng apple. What you want now? Cover it? Cover? You don't like it? You want the, the one? Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Oh. You want this one alone? Dutch milk? Yung ate namin, pinabili namin ng pinabili ko ng mainit na tubig sa 7-Eleven. Di ko na alam kung saan na siya. Here, anak, oh. Don't spit it out, okay? Say hi. Say hi to ate. Hi, ate. Buti na lang kamo, hindi niya binanap yung niya kanina matamis, yung kanyang lulis. Tago natin. Yan. Kasi mamaya maging hyper ka, anak. Ano na ba ito? Bakit ay na masarado? There you go. You want biscuit too? I got this one for you. You want this? No? Nagkaano ka muna, biscuit, kasi nakalimutan natin yung gatas. Yung ating picnic na wala sa plano. Where you go? What happened? Where's ate, nak? Huh? Where's ate? Can you call ate? Where's ate? Wala pa si ate. You see ate right there, ate. Look, ate. Ate's wearing red. Yan ah. Nakita na yung short mo, anak. Oh, no, no. Careful. Sunduin niya talaga yung ate niya. Anak, careful, nak. Come here. Come back here na, come back. Sumabit yung apple. Come. That's so cute na baby anak ko. She's so cute. Okay, magkape na tayo. Anak, let me help you. Don't eat like that. Let me help you, anak. Give mommy. Mama, give me. No, I'm not gonna eat. Mama will help you. Harapan mo pa talaga yung sarili ko, anak. Okay, magkape na tayo. No, this is hot water, anak. Sorry, I forgot your milk. No, I didn't forget your milk. I forgot your bottle. Here. Nakamadali natin. Yan. Kalimutan pa more. Wait. Okay, magkape na tayo. Meron tayong kalahating kape. Yung tinipid yung tubig. Tupid muna tayo na kayo. Relax na muna tayo dito, anak. Okay? Mama will have my coffee. This will be my first coffee after a long time. After how many weeks? Almost 2 weeks na wala tayong instant coffee. This will be our first instant coffee for a week. Oh, ayun, sabi ko yung phone, yung blue, yung shuttle. Yung bus? Yung bus, mamaya sakyan natin. Hindi tayo sumakay dyan mamaya.
So stop yun sa
SM. Kasi wala tayong may pang grab. Kailan to sakyan natin mamaya. Okay. Oh, mama will have my coffee, anak. Say hi, ate. Say hi, ate. Are you saying hi to ate? Nagdadaldal ang patuta. Oh, patang-patang ha. Para kang ano ng manok. This is hot, anak. It's hot. Yeah, what are you talking about? Patay. Huh? Oh, you feel it? Why are you doing that? Sit down. Okay, sit down. Here. Sit down. You want to sit down? Kape natin. Abay, ba inaamoy niya yung kape? Nagustuhan niya yata yung amoy ng kape. Do you like coffee? Ha? Oo, no, 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 no. Ay, ano anak? Inapak-apakan mo yung biscuit mo. I want a cucumber. You know, not it. Oh. So, oo. Tulog ka. Carrots. Oh, carrots? What's that? What? You don't like? Tapos cucumber, anak. Niluwa-luwa na. Okay, wait. Kunin ko yung ano mo kasi tiyatago ko nga dito eh. It's just the same, anak. It's just the same. See? It's same cucumber. And carrots. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Ano ba yung pinagkukuha mo? Nagpa-side view pa siya eh. Malapit na naman tayo sa CR. Sa CR na lang tayo magtamad pag umulan ng malakas. I will have my coffee, anak. Okay, don't move, anak. Okay? Mama will have my coffee. Namiss ko yung amoy pero hindi yung lasa. Anak, sit down, anak. Sit down. They cannot see you, anak. They cannot. There you go. Hmm. Say hi, Dada. Say hi, Dada. Give Dada kisses. Where's Dada kisses? Dada. I give kisses to Dada. Say hi, Dada. We're at the park. And Bibiana is having biscuit. Ay, panguso na. I like the smell, but not the taste. It's very sweet. Sit down, sit down. Ang sarap sana mag-walk, anak, kung dala natin yung ano mo, anak mo. Yung bike mo. Kaso lang, nagpapabuhat ka man, anak. Wait. What's wrong? Oh, fly. Fly. Say no fly. Don't go to our food fly. We don't have something here.
No.
We don't have fishy thingy here. Say go fly. Where's Tata She? Can you spot Tata She? Are they coming? I don't think so. Because look at the anak, the sky is very dark. I think anytime soon the rain will come, anak. Should we go early? Should we go home? Lumangap lang tayo sa CDC, umupo lang tayo dito. Meron sila mga ganyan kulong pa bike sa ano. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yan, 300 yata yung isa. Pwede ka mag-bike-bike. Bukas na lang ako mag-cycling. Sarap ng mapawisan natin, no? Nak, no? Masarap mapawisan. Oh, let's take a picture together. Picture tayo. Anak, look at the camera. Let's take a picture with ate. Smile. Ayan na. Look at, dito ka, usap ka dito. Anak, look at the picture. Look, smile. Look at mommy. Smile. Look na gana. Yes, smile. 1, 2, 3. Can you look at the camera, anak? Yes, smile. I just gonna hear. One more time. One more time.
May Skyflex pa?
Ito sa bag. Okay. Where's the Skyflex, anak? You want me to open it? You had your anak. You want more? Ay, hindi po. Dapat pag ganyan, hindi nag-iiwan ng kalat. Pasensya na ko yan, hindi sa amin yan. Paano natin tutusok? Mayroon ka pang ano dyan? Patusok. Oh, here, anak. Here. Open.
Uulan lang.
Oh my goodness. Ulan na. Okay lang yung ulan. Bakit lumiwanag tayo? Want biscuit too? You have your biscuit here, anak. You want apple? Magligpit na tayo kaya nandoon daw sila Tita Shi sa playground, anak. Ang layo naman nila. Nandito kami sa harapan eh. Nasa dulo sila. Okay, let's go there. Mayroon tayong pa free ride later on. Kamaba naman yung walang sasakyan. It's okay. In God's time. Nothing to be hurry. Okay, let's go. Anak. Let's go, Tata She. Let's go to the playground. Paano ba ito sarado? Ano yung kapatid
Oh
mo?
my god, it's so itim.
Okay, yung kalat natin, iligpit natin kasi kawawa naman si Kuya. Yung basura natin, ilagay na lang natin dito. Anak, come na. Let's go. Let's go Tita She. Let's find Tita She. Let's go to the playground. Okay, nandito pa pala yung isang tubig. Sige na, mauna nakipaglakad ko. Doon, dito sa side ng banda. Mas malapit. Hindi, wait lang. Ilagay ko itong. Okay. Look at that rain, anak. It's dark over there, anak. The rain will come anytime soon. Look at that. Kumilimlim na yung kalangitan ng CDC. Nandito daw sila, She. Umabol pala sila. Ang layo natin sa playground, anak. Nasa playground daw sila.
Oh my god.
Are we going to the playground?
Doon sa playground na.
Okay. Sa shortcut kami. Sa gitna pa talaga kami dadaan. Hanggang doon sa may building na malaki. Ay, naku anak. Ang bigat-bigat mo. Anyway, focus muna tayo mga shots. Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran to. Hiningal lang ako, nak. Ang bigat ng batang ito. Mommy's tired na, anak. Mommy's tired. Huh? You're too heavy. We're not even halfway yet. Wait muna. Mamaya na lang. Andun sila. Buti nila nagkita kami. Kasama si Blue. Where's Blue, nak? Can you see Blue? There, Blue. And Ate Malia. Is there? Andun sila. Shh. Hindi pa sila nagkita. Can you see them? Oh, come, let's go. Let's go. Tatashi. There, Tatashi and Blue. Look at Blue. They bring Blue. Knock, knock, knock. Not there, knock. Not there, not there.